we'll bring everything we've done together, and then we'll see whether we can write a simple script. So the script we're trying to do is supposed to be calculating the area of a circle. And so in order for you to calculate the area of a circle, you need a radius. So let's say we create a variable called radius, and maybe you give it a value of 7. And we need to create another variable called pi, which is going to be 3.14. And then we create the formula. So the formula, we're going to say the formula of the area of a circle is equal to, so we'll say area is equal to pi r squared. So pi times radius times radius. This is the formula. So in terms of Python, this is what we've done. We've created a variable called radius. And then we've put a value 7 in there. Created another variable called pi. Put a value in there, 3.14. So this one is a float, and this one is an integer. Now, what we're saying is that we're creating a third one called area. And area is going to be a combination of pi and radius. So it's saying that we have to get pi. So basically we're pointing to pi, which is going to be 3.14. And then we have to point to radius 2 times. So this is going to be 7. And then we point to it again, it's going to be 7. And that will be whatever we get, we're going to put it in there. This is exactly what we've said here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to print something. We're going to say something like, next time I'll show you something. So the area of the circle is, so when we do this, we just have to come outside that, and then we put a comma, and then we say, then we put the area. So the area of the circle is, comma, which means that we're joining this part to something. You can think of this as saying like this. The comma, you can think of it like this. Next time I'll show you a different way of doing it, which is more efficient than this. But we started from somewhere. It's just by saying it's going to print the area of the circle S gives a space. The comma is just saying we're going to add something to it. And what are we adding? Area, but it's not going to print area. It's going to print what's stored in area. So it's going to do the calculation and then put the value there. So let's try and run this and see. So if we look here, it's saying the area of the circle S, and it does the calculation and it puts the area there. And that is it.